Tom kanog ulad ani. Adog, itlog with kamatis. No, kamatis na yun. Yan, ito na akong bulad. Bulad. Gamay ra, gamay. Then next, hotdog, itlog, o kamatis. No, klaro yung kamatis, oh. Kamatis.
Nakabot din mga kalabuan. Alas 8:28, magduminso, maminas ang pipila ka mga mensahe. Pagbalik, ikaw na sa dayo. Stand by.
Time check was brought to you by Sting. Hatid ng Sting. Katawang energy sa mind at body. This is Magnum Radio 99.9, the official #1 FM station in Cagayan de Oro. Broadcasting 24 hours from the city of Bone and Friendship, Cagayan de Oro, in Mindanao, Philippines. This is Magnum Radio 99.9, news and music, your consistent and undisputed #1. Brand of vitamin D3 by the medical doctors in the Philippines, the science of a healthier life.
Life Extension Vitamin D3.
Hello, my name is Ron Antriage, and I've been a business development executive in the nutritional supplement industry for over 17 years. One supplement I
Tagalibaka kapalan, may butas yung puso ko. Sabi ng doktor, hindi daw makaabot ng 22 yung edad ko. At pag inom ko ng life extension vitamin D3, yun, wala na po, normal na. Maraming salamat po sa life extension vitamin D3.
Yapon. Kain po, kain. Alright. Kaon. Tuyo.